Are you tired of turning off live photos every time you open your iPhone camera, only for it to turn back on again? In this video, I'll show you a simple two-step fix to keep live photos permanently off. So let's jump right in. First, open your camera app. At the top, you'll see the live photo icon. It looks like a circle with rings around it. If you don't see it, just tap the 3 or 6 dots in the corner and you'll find the live photo option there. Tap it once to turn it off. Now your live photos are off, but here's the problem: it turns itself back on every time you open the camera. To fix that, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Camera. Then, tap on Preserve Settings. Inside here, look for Live Photo and turn it on. This will tell your iPhone to remember your last setting instead of resetting it every time. Now go back to your camera, turn Live Photo off once, and it will stay off permanently. And that's it, 2 simple steps, and the problem is fixed. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.